Is your Apple Watch stuck in a charging cycle and not turning on properly? This usually happens due to battery glitches, outdated watch OS, or charging issues. But don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Apple Watch stuck at the charging cycle issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Clean the connections. Make sure the back of your Apple Watch and the magnetic charger are clean and free of any debris. And then charge it for about 1 hour. If it won't work, then charge it overnight. Solution 2. Check the charger. Make sure you're using the official Apple Watch magnetic charging cable or USB-C magnetic fast charging cable. Check that the cable is securely plugged into the USB power adapter and that the adapter is firmly plugged into a working power outlet. Solution 3. Reset your Apple Watch. First, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. If your Apple Watch is still stuck on the Apple logo, now connect your charger to your Apple Watch. Then press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Don't hold off. Wait for the Apple logo to appear. After the Apple logo appears, just hold off and wait to restart. And this is how you can fix the Apple Watch stuck at the charging cycle issue. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.